crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. Make sure you guys are following my new channel, which is my vlog channel, and it is Life as Mona B. You definitely don't want to miss out on the content over there, so it will be linked in the description box below, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would go over there and subscribe. And make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram at MonaXBank. So I know y'all like, what? I know y'all looking at the title like, Mona, you got clip-ins in your hair? I'm shook too. But see, the thing is, I want y'all to let me know if I nailed it or failed it. So I feel like I nailed it. Like, my hair is short and I styled up some clip-ins. Wait, what? So if your hair is on the shorter side like mine, you can definitely get clip-ins in your head. So these clip-ins that I'm rocking are from CurlsCurls.com. So what I have in my head is the Afro Kinky. This mimics 4B, 4C hair. You guys, I'm pretty sure you guys know what kind was in my head, or what kind is in my head. And the length is 14 inches and the weight is 180, and these are in their natural color. I didn't do anything to them. I didn't cut them, I didn't bleach them, I didn't dye them. This is how they come in their natural color. Now, the cool thing about CurlsCurls.com is one bundle, you can get a full hairstyle. So guys, this is one bundle in my head, but I actually still have 2 pieces left out, so I didn't even use the full bundle. So I think that is so dope. But also, which is really cool about it, is they are really affordable. These are affordable clip-ins. With their clip-ins, you can get one bundle at the price that most companies sell their bundles, and you would have to buy 2 bundles with other companies, mostly because most companies only sell their clip-ins with 6 clip-ins in a bundle, but they're giving you guys 10 in the bundle for the price of 1. You get what I'm saying? Instead of having to go to another hair company and then you have to pay for 2 bundles just to get 12 of them. You get what I'm saying? So this is more bang for your buck. With the one bundle, you get 10 pieces and you get a full look like this. And I still have 2 pieces left out that I showed you guys. Now, this bundle right here that I have, this is now they do not sell 6 clip bundles, but they wanted to send over a comparison, and this is 6 clips. This is all you'll get. You see how full this is versus this in my hand? You can't do no full hairstyle off of 6 clips. It's just not possible. You would have to buy 2 bundles. But see, with CurlsCurls, you can get your kinky clip-ins at a cheaper price. They do have every texture. You only buy 1 bundle and it only has 6 clip-ins in it. You're only going to be able to do a bun and a ponytail. That's pretty much it. You're not going to be able to do a full style like this. So that's what I think is really, really dope. And their price is amazing. Are interrupting. Say hi. Say hi. Say, I'm interrupting the video. Say hi, people. Say hi to everyone. You don't want to look at them? Thank you. Everything about CurlsCurls.com will be in the description box below. So make sure you guys check there, and let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, so you get a pamphlet when you receive your CurlsCurls package in the mail, and it just lets you know about your hair, how to wash it, and everything like that. So this is what the Afro Kinky clip-ins look like when you get them out of the packaging, and yeah, they look really good. The wefts look really nice and the clips look really nice on them. I really like to use the Aussie Moist on my extensions, and I follow up with a leave-in conditioner, and I decided to add a little gel to do a wash and go, but you can use whatever gel that you would like. And then this is how much shedding I got from detangling the hair. I let the clip-ins dry overnight, and I'm gonna style them in my head. So I'm just spraying some water onto my afro, and I'm just putting some hair milk on my hair because my hair was feeling a little dry. And then I'm just gonna make sure my hair is thoroughly picked out before installing the clip-ins. This is very important. But if your hair is longer than mine, you can braid your hair down. So here are the 10 clip-ins, and I'm just gonna start off with the one that has 4 clips, and I'm just going to apply that to the back section of my head, as you guys can see me doing that there. And you get 2 of these in a bundle, so I'm going to put both of the 4 clips towards the back, and then as I go on, I'm going to add the longer one, which is the one with 5 clips, and you get 2 of those in your bundle. So I'm going to put those around the perimeter of my head until I get to the very top. Clip-ins are very easy to apply. The clip-ins are really nicely made. They did a really good job. And so I'm just adding another clip-in there at the top. But yeah, they did a really good job with constructing these clip-ins. They're really nicely, and I didn't have any problems installing them. So now I'm moving on to my shorter clips that have like 3 clips on them, and I'm just going to put those around the top, and then I'm going to take the 2 clip-in clips and put those where the bang is, right at the front, because I wanted to create a bang look, which I think is so cute. And then I kind of flipped that one upside down so that the track wouldn't be showing at the top. So now that I'm all done, I'm just taking my spray bottle of water, and this is very crucial because this is how you're going to shape your clip-in. So I'm just spraying them, and I'm going to shape them with my fingers to get them to move in the direction that I would like them to go. Basically what I'm doing is kind of like refreshing them, and, you know, just fluffing it up, making sure that no tracks are showing or anything like that. And I did not cut these, guys. They are 14 inches. I didn't cut the bang. You know, I just kind of like shriveled them up, if you know what I mean. And that's how I got this super cute look. I love it so much. That's one thing I love about clip-ins. You can do like a bang hairstyle in no time, and it looks so bomb. So this is the clip-ins from all angles, and as you can see, none of my hair is out, and it just looks so cute and bomb. I love it, I love it. So of course I have to show y'all another style. Clip-ins out at the very top, and those are the clips with the 2 clip-ins on them. And as you guys can see, I'm just putting them going backwards. I'm not flipping them frontwards to make a bang, but I did flip that one towards the front so that I can gather it to put it in a ponytail, as you guys can see. So I have one going back, one going to the front. So I'm using some Got2b glue gel, and I'm just going to put that on my leave out, and I'm just going to smooth that up. I like to use this gel for styles like this because it's going to help your hair stick if your hair is really short like mine, but don't really put it on your edges. I just kind of put it on my hair, and then I'm using my blow dryer on cool to set it in, but this gel dries really fast. So that's what I love about it, and it's great if your hair is short like mine for styles like this. And then I'm just going to take 2 hair ties and gather the hair into a ponytail. I only use 2 clip-ins up top right there. And I'm going to separate the hair at the middle and swirl it around to make a cute little donut. And then I'm going to use some bobby pins to pin it into place, as you guys can see there. And then I did use some closed bobby pins like on the sides where my hair was kind of still sticking up to kind of hold it down. You guys have seen me do that before. But yeah, so that's what I did to create this little cute bun. And then I just went back and used some Eco Styler gel and stuff like that to like lay down my baby hairs. As you guys can see, that's what I was talking about. And then I just took the blow dryer to make sure everything was dry. Then my hair was sticking out, making sure all of the tracks were covered. And yeah, I'm just going to lay down my edges with the Eco Styler gel. And that is the finished look for this style. So yes, y'all, you can do a bun with your clip-ins when your hair is super short. I love it so much. It looks so cute. Shout out to CurlsCurls. You can get a whole hairstyle with one bundle of their clip-ins. So make sure you check them out, you guys, in the description box. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.